On this episode of Designing Spaces, FPL Home Services will show you how to stay safe and save money with electrical maintenance tips. They can also help you pick and install the right generator for your home. Beautify your home by restoring and maintaining your marble floors with the professionals from Affordable Marble Restoration. Let the team of Roof-A-Cide help you extend the life of your roof with their recommended cleaning options. Qualified movers are just a call away. Move stress-free, safely, and securely with nationwide van lines. Plus, lots more. We are Designing Spaces. Nowadays at home, there's hardly any task that doesn't require electricity. It runs your appliances, powers entertainment systems, charges cell phones, computers, and of course, your lights. There are so many things that could go wrong if you hire an unlicensed contractor. So FPL Home Services and their expert licensed and insured technicians give you the peace of mind you're looking for.
Certain home improvement projects are dangerous by nature. They can cause serious bodily harm or even up to death. For example, people changing their own breakers without having the proper knowledge.
My experience with FPL Home Services was great. I called in late on a Friday night. They were able to send a technician out within minutes.
FPL Home Services offers licensed and insured electricians with over 100 hours of ongoing training to take care of any of your electrical needs.
The difference between FPL Home Services and other companies is that they've been in the community for a long time. They've got expert technicians. They have availability 24/7 on nights and weekends. They've got expertise in the different trades, and they're always available to help when you need them.
Don't ignore electrical issues. Faulty wiring and electrical components can cause fire hazards and power outages.
To avoid these electrical hazards, I strongly recommend getting one of our licensed electricians out to perform a safety inspection. Through this inspection, we go through all of your outlets, including your GFCIs. We go through all of your light switches. We go through your entire electric panel, and we try to identify any overheating breakers or wires.
Did you ever think about controlling your home devices and lights with your phone? Or having an electric car charging station in your garage? This type of technology not only allows your house to be more comfortable and efficient, but also increase its value.
Electric cars are becoming more and more popular each day. That's why it's important to have a trained professional come out and ensure your electrical panel is able to handle that new load. In reference to smart switches, controlling lights remotely, we recommend a proper evaluation to solve three-way limitations. You cannot connect two smart switches to one light.
Here are some tips on how to use energy more efficiently while bringing down your electrical bill.
A couple of ways you can save on energy would be upgrading to LED lighting, changing out to more efficient ceiling fans, going with one of the latest and greatest inverter air conditioners, or even going to a tankless water heater.
FPL Home Electrical Services are here to help. They provide a full line of electrical repair and installation services.
At FPL Home Services, we offer installations. We can repair or replace. Our work is guaranteed with straightforward pricing, and you can always reach our customer service on the 24/7 hotline. At FPL Home Services, we can handle all of your repairs, so you can spend less time maintaining your home and more time enjoying it.
To find out more how FPL Home Services can help you with plumbing, electrical, cooling, and heating systems, or generator services, visit fplhome.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv. The Sunshine State has beautiful beaches, great weather, amazing golf courses, and is well known as the boating capital of the world. But there's a price to pay for living in this paradise: hurricane seasons. Back in 2017, 6.7 million houses lost power due to a hurricane. A generator can make your life easier during those difficult times. That's why today we're helping you pick the right generator for your home.
Well, I've lived here most of my life, and the Florida weather, especially in the summertime, is very volatile. With the thunderstorms, then we have the long hurricane season. It seems like it never ends. We've been here for a few hurricanes. We've stayed through, and we have lost power for several days. It's a very uncomfortable experience, especially since it typically happens during late in the summer when it's very hot out. It's very difficult to sleep, and if you have children, it makes it even that much more difficult. So that's one of the reasons why we decided to get the standby generator, so we could maintain the same comfort and lifestyle that we have.
When choosing the right generator for you, there's a couple of things to determine: the square footage of your home and the amount of appliances you're trying to run inside that home. When you call FPL Home Services, we actually send a certified technician out to your home to help you evaluate to see what appliances are necessary for you to run.
FPL Home Services will help you throughout the whole process.
Picking the right size generator for your home, pulling the required permits, installing this generator, and even as far as setting it up on your mobile device.
It's also important to understand how the proper installation can prevent accidents.
Some of the most common mistakes we see with portable generators is keeping it in an unventilated space. This generator does produce carbon monoxide, which is dangerous, and using undersized electrical cords. This can lead to fires, and these extension cords are also tripping hazards. That's why we would recommend calling FPL Home Services to install a whole home generator to prevent these accidents.
Knowing your generator is as important as having one.
When we install our generators, we give all of our customers the option to install Mobile Link. With Mobile Link, our customers not only have the option to receive notifications via their smart device, but they also have the option to have it alert us so that we can identify any problems with your generator. We also teach our customers how to interpret the notifications they're receiving on their smart device. By the time our customers actually receive their notifications, we're already working on it from the back end to come up with a solution. We make sure our customers not only know the functionality of their generator, but are able to identify warning signals.
Backup generators from FPL Home Services can help keep your home running when storms disrupt your service.
FPL Home Services can help you obtain affordable financing, whether you're looking for a 10-year plan or an 18-month no-interest plan.
The proper installing of a generator can increase the resale value of your home by 3% to 5%.
Call us and discover how simple it is to get one.
To find out more how FPL Home Services can help you with plumbing, electrical, cooling, and heating systems, or generator services, visit fplhome.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv. Nothing is immune to the hands of time. Even the most durable flooring materials need periodic rejuvenation.
My family and I, we have a lot of traffic and we just don't have time to maintain it. We got busy lives, and it's just time to really get it taken care of.
With proper care, maintenance, and restoration, these marble floors can last generations.
After talking to the homeowner, we're going to restore the floors in this house and basically get it back to its natural beauty.
Boris does a walkthrough with the homeowner, pointing out the problems.
Well, basically the floor was neglected for years from previous owners. To get it back to original stage, we need basically to clean it really good, take care of all these scratches. Then we're gonna flatten the floor, we're gonna fill all the holes, so it's gonna look gorgeous after we're done.
So one of the neighbors referred me to you, and when I heard your company name was Affordable Marble Restoration, those were like the three magic words for me.
The crew clears the furniture and covers the baseboards.
Here you can see highest traffic area in this house, of course.
And of course, kitchen cooking, you got all the grease and dirt. And
of course, by the sink. This is the holes we're trying to fill to make it as flat as possible.
You know, and some of the tiles, like if you look at these ones here, there's just tons of pitting here. And when they come from outside, the dirt gets in there and everything.
Well, you got to realize a lot of these stones are from the different quarries. So some of the stones are more stronger, some less. Even in the high traffic areas, you can see wear and tear is different on the stone.
Boris meets with his crew, pointing out details and special care areas of the floor. They're set to go. Did you know marble floors need regular maintenance? Avoid harsh chemicals and use mild cleaners made specifically for stone floors. Never use mops and sprays made for cleaning vinyl floors on a stone floor. Dust mop marble floors frequently to remove dust and dirt particles that have been ground in by heavy foot traffic. The next day, after the floors have dried, the project moves into its second phase.
The homeowner wanted the satin finish, and that's what we're doing today. We're sealing and buffing the floor to get to the final result, and then we can move the furniture back.
Once Boris and his crew have completed the final buffing, the marble floor has a vibrant new life.
Well, marble floor can last forever if you take care of it, and affordable marble restoration can help you with that.
So they finished the floor, and I am beyond ecstatic at the results. They delivered on every promise. It's beautiful, it's flat, it doesn't have all the little pits for the dirt to catch into. They really brought new life into this floor. If rocks can really have life, this is it.
Heat, sun, wind, torrential rain. As Florida homeowners know, tropical weather takes its toll, and when it comes to intense weather, it's our roofs that take the beating. We found one Florida homeowner who's all about preparation, about doing it right before it's too late.
I've never had my roof cleaned. When this roof was installed, we started with this program. And all they do is every 2 years, they come out and they treat the roof. My roof is clean all the time compared to my neighbors that are always up there pressure cleaning.
When it comes to your home's roof, the old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, truly applies. Broward County homeowner Frank Sr. knows that proper roof maintenance and choosing the best local companies for longer lasting and cleaner roofs is an absolute must.
I can see mold growing on all my neighbors' homes. I know what they're going through. I don't have to go through that. My roof stays clean from the day I installed it to right now.
Proper routine roof maintenance is a must. If done correctly, it can add years to the life of a roof while saving homeowners thousands of dollars. And it all starts with stain prevention. Designing Spaces met with Roof-A-Cide, the nation's leading roof stain prevention company.
Roof-A-Cide is the roofer's choice of roof stain prevention. Roof-A-Cide has a long-standing history of over 25 years in the industry with continuous development to bring the best products to keep your roof looking great and maximizing the lifespan of your roof.
And while pressure cleaning driveways, patios, and many exterior surfaces is effective, pressure cleaning a roof or using harsh chemicals can have negative and costly consequences.
They go ahead and they spray the grass before they do the lawn to show me how safe it is environmentally.
Roof-A-Cide is EPA approved and biosafe. It won't harm any shrubs, trees, or plants.
Certain roofing materials such as asphalt shingle or stone-coated steel should never be pressure cleaned. Asphalt shingle and stone-coated steel should be chemically cleaned with a safe and compatible product.
Featuring a strongly endorsed product, one used by the nation's leading industry roof and home professionals, is reassuring to the customer, homeowner, and family members who will enjoy and benefit from a cleaner, safer, longer-lasting roof.
There are different cleaning methods and cleaning specs for each type of roof, so you got to be sure that you are addressing that cleaning solution for your particular type of roof. For tile roofs, traditional pressure cleaning will get you by for a little while, and the same thing for stone coat steel and asphalt shingle, but we highly recommend sticking with the Roof-A-Cide program so that you could avoid all of those cleaning process, because none of it is a long-term solution.
The application is relatively fast. Smaller roofs can be done in less than an hour.
Roof-A-Cide is EPA approved to kill mold on your roof surface for 2 years with a written warranty by the manufacturer. It's environmental friendly for your landscape, pets, and people.
For 20 years, more than 1 million homeowners in 14 states have protected and extended the life of their roof, while saving thousands of dollars thanks to Roof-A-Cide.
I'm going to have a benefit of the roof lasting longer because there's no harsh chemicals, no pressure cleaning going on.
For a free no-obligation quote and to find an authorized applicator in your area, visit roofacide.com. And to view this segment again, visit us online at designingspaces.tv.
This is our flagship showroom. Come on in, let me show you around. My name is Bill Feinberg. I'm president and CEO of Allied, and for the past 35 years, we've been remodeling homes here in South Florida. Omega has some of the finest accessories made, such as this Le Mans for a blind corner cabinet, easy access, one of the best cabinets made. This particular door is what we call transitional. But come with me, I want to show you some more. Here we are with one of Omega's latest trends, very transitional cabinet. This cabinet here is stacked higher. This feature here is probably one of the most popular colors right now, 100% wood quality. This is a great accessory, a pull-down shelf for easy access. Omega, if you can draw it, they can build it. Come to Allied Kitchen and Bath for the latest in Omega cabinetry.
As overwhelmed homeowners deal with the logistical challenges of an address change, the added pressure of transporting belongings safely and securely becomes a major concern.
So when it came time for me to find a moving company, especially with me moving out of state, I was overwhelmed by the amount of companies that there are that can move you, and different information, and everything was kind of conflicting, and it was really actually stressful.
Fortunately, there are steps you can follow to reduce the stress of moving your belongings.
One of the most important things when you're looking for a moving company is to do research. And one of the websites I would suggest is a government website.
Visit websites like the American Moving and Storage Association's promover.org and the U.S. Department of Transportation's DOT.gov for information on potential movers, including making sure they're qualified as pro movers. Florida-based Nationwide Van Lines, a pro mover, has been securely moving the valued possessions of customers across the street, states, and seas since 2001. With over 15,000 moves, Nationwide brings a wealth of expertise to help relieve the stress of moving.
We at Nationwide Van Lines are a family-owned company, and we strive for excellence. We want to make sure that the move is stress-free as possible.
Part of keeping stress levels low is to make sure you know what potential pitfalls to look for, including disingenuous rogue companies.
You want to stay away from companies that they're not professional movers and they would not know how to do it properly. Also, some companies present themselves as an actual moving company, but at the end they're just brokers and they will outsource your job and you would not know who's coming to your home.
Additionally, make sure to visit bbb.com to make sure your mover is accredited with the Better Business Bureau.
One of the most important things when choosing a mover, you gotta make sure that they have the right equipment to perform the job. Here at Nationwide, we have state-of-the-art trucks. They all equipped with all the safety features that you can think of.
Ensuring your possessions make the trip safely is of the utmost concern. But unfortunately, there are other dangers to watch out for beyond physical damage.
So one of my biggest concerns when it comes to this move is the safety of my things. The fact that, you read these articles and you see these stories on the news about people, moving companies holding your stuff hostage and not giving you your things until you pay. And that's scary.
There are some moving companies that are being investigated by Florida Attorney General. One of the things that they can be investigated for is taking your items and then not telling you the final cost of your move. While the truck is in transit, they can give you a call and let you know that your price has increased drastically. They will hold your stuff hostage without the release until you pay them the full amount.
Look out for these and other kinds of violations by checking the Safety and Fitness Electronic Records System, also known as SAFER, on the U.S. Department of Transportation's website.
When a homeowner is moving, you always want to check for the right licensing, insurance, coverage.
Make sure your potential moving company has at least up to $750,000 of liability coverage to protect you, as well as verifying that they extend workman compensation insurance to their employees.
Also, make sure that a moving company has the proper full value protection and the least basic 60 cents per pound. Of course, that doesn't always do a lot of justice when you're moving a whole home, so make sure the full value protection is available to you at all times.
Beyond all those assurances, sometimes the best way to evaluate a moving company requires a more personal approach.
Visit them and have a face-to-face, or even have an on-site representative come to your home for a proper estimation.
A moving company should extend the highest level of respect to you and your possessions.
We make sure that every job we protect the property before we even start. We make sure we put runners. We make sure we protect all the doors and walls before we even move the furniture. When we get to high-value items, a carpenter will come and will make custom-made crates right there on the spot to wood crate anything that's extremely valuable or extremely fragile.
Choosing a mover with a good reputation for charitable endeavors in the community can also help a homeowner feel good about their choice. Nationwide Van Lines participates in Move for Hunger, a food drive designed to make use of perishable food donations made by moving homeowners, providing much-needed support to local food banks and meals to neighbors in need.
I wanted to be sure that I was hiring a moving company that I felt comfortable with, and let me tell you, they just really are wonderful.
For more info on how Nationwide Van Lines can help relieve the stress of your next move, visit nationwidevanlines.com or visit designingspaces.tv.
Hi, I'm Bill Feinberg with Allied Kitchen and Bath. Today we're in our Oakland Park Culinary and Arts District showroom featuring Monarch appliances. Bosch, innovative, latest in technology, some of the coolest built-in appliances there are. And over here, we feature Thermador built-in appliances, refrigerator, wine cooler, and this freestanding gas range, 48 inches wide with the matching hood above. This here, double oven, also from Thermador, but wait till you see what else we got. Come check out some of the other stuff. Over here, we've got Viking appliances. Check out this French door oven. And here, we've got Sub-Zero, truly integrated built-in appliances. You don't even know they're there. And for the finest in outdoor appliances, we have Lynx Pizza Oven over here, High Power Burner by Alfresco, and the finest outdoor grill, also by Alfresco.
Andrew, Wilma, Irma. Just a few of the hurricanes that Floridians are no stranger to. And with 40% of all U.S. hurricanes making landfall right here in Florida, protecting your family and home takes priority. And one of the most important aspects to consider when securing your home is your windows and shutters. Meet the folks over at Dependable Shutter and Glass. With over 50 years experience and 6,000 plus installations, they truly are your one-stop resource for all your impact glass and shutter needs.
In the year 2000 is when we actually started Dependable Shutter and Glass actually out of my garage. And we built it from the ground up, and here we are today, over 6,000 installations. I would say the number one reason why people are searching and inquiring about impact windows and doors is the hurricane protection. Most of the roofs that you hear lifting off during a hurricane are usually once the windows and doors are blown out, the winds are into the structure, and then the roofs lift. So protecting the envelope of the home is definitely a major way of protecting your home. The difference between impact windows and doors and non-impact windows and doors, number one, you have the integrity and the strength and the size of the aluminum structure, as well as the glass. On an impact glass product, there's actually 3 layers of product laminated together to make that impact product. The second benefit, I would say, is security from intruders. You definitely have great security as well as the hurricane protection. And then on some homes, energy efficiency is also an issue. And the impact windows and doors can provide great energy efficiency as well as savings with your insurance company.
Homeowner Wally Reams wants to protect his investment and wanted to make sure his home could withstand anything Mother Nature could throw at it.
We found Dependable through a Google search, and what really made us interested in following through with them was when we looked at the positive feedback that people who had worked with them before. When we bought the house, it had the panels that you either could have a contractor install or install yourself. And each of those are, 50, 100 pounds, depending how big they are, and it took about 9 hours to install all of those panels over the windows. Get a little bit older, those things are heavy. You may get in that moment of the hurricane, where you're not able to close your shutters up.
One main thing that I believe is unique with Dependable Shutter and Glass starts with our consultants. They're going to listen to the client. They're going to try to do a needs analysis.
They sent a technician out, Mauricio, who came in and sat down with us and understood our requirements and put together several options for us as far as our hurricane protection. So after the assessment with Mauricio and his team, I've decided to go with the hurricane glass on the front. In the back, we've decided for a number of reasons to go with the shutters. One, it's more cost effective, but secondly, there are certain windows like this one here that don't allow the installation of hurricane glass.
Once my consultants have a signed contract with you, I receive that contract, I revisit the home, we go over all the options, I actually do all the final measurements, I do all the final designs, I make sure it's exactly what you want and what I feel is best for your home. There's a lot of people in the industry that will come out and they've already determined what they want to sell you and how they're going to sell you. That's not how it happens with Dependable Shutter and Glass. A big benefit at Dependable Shutter and Glass, as you can see, we manufacture our own shutter products in-house. Dependable Shutter and Glass is teamed up with CGI. It's an impact window and door company that is products are made here locally. All the windows that we order are custom sizes. That's how we're able to provide the best fit.
Excellent craftsmanship and materials aside, there's another important point to consider.
I would say the number one misconception is that all installations are the same. We have found after 18 years in the business that the best way to provide the best installation and have the best controls is using all employees.
Well, we just finished the installation of the hurricane glass, the shutters, everything went perfectly. Took 3 days basically for the entire installation. Could not be happier.
The best products, the best installation, and the best service. Our A+ ratings with the Better Business Bureau, our Angie's ratings, our social media, all of our reviews certainly prove the type of service and experience that we offer to our clients.
So thanks to Dependable Shutter and Glass, I've got my accordion shutters, I've got my hurricane impact glass on the front of the house. I'm ready for hurricane season with no worries.
For more information on DSG, please visit dependableshutters.com. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.